Just wanted to show you guys where ours was when we picked up our Brinkley. All right, we'll do. Hey guys and girls, back here, I wanted to shoot a quick video about the Dexter Tow Assist system. Just a quick, brief thing about Dexter. It's your ABS system. It's only available on your 7K axles with drum brakes, not the 8K axles. If you upgraded, you won't get the Dexter Tow Assist system. So I just want to talk a little bit about the Dexter. And you know what's interesting is we had an RV tech come out to fix something the other day, and I showed him the system, and he's been an RV tech for 16 years, said that he's never seen that Dexter Tow Assist system. So I went through the whole thing, and I thought, well, I didn't know anything about it until I had a Brinkley, and he's an RV tech. He doesn't know anything about it. So I thought I would just put this out. I've seen a couple of posts on the G page about it. So what the Dexter Tow Assist provides is ABS. Obviously, if it catches a wheel, it has speed sensors on the wheels. If it catches a wheel that's sliding, it will apply some ABS to that. It provides trailer sway mitigation. So as you're driving down the highway, you like this where I'm at here? I got my own little shade going on. It provides trailer sway mitigation. So as you're going down the road, any swaying, it starts applying opposite ABS to help mitigate that. Lane change control, it can sense when your tow vehicle changes lanes abruptly, and it will compensate through the ABS to help to control that lane change. Trailer brake monitoring, through that little sensor I'm going to show you, it gives you different colors, and it tells you what the status is. And then the coolest thing is it provides a digital odometer, so you know how many miles you've actually put on your trailer. You'll see in the app later on, I think we're at like 100 and something miles so far. So just gonna run through a few things, show you where to find the OBD2 device, where the plug is, and then what to look for when you hook it up to your truck. Just wanted to show you guys where our reader was when we picked up ours. Obviously it wasn't sitting here in the middle, but I'm kind of doing this to show you. It comes in this little V-Pack box. It says OBD check BLE. You open this little box and you dump it out, and that's what it looks like. So if you look right here, this is your plug right here. So I've seen some, they were actually mounted over here as well, but on ours, it's right here. You take this little OBD reader that you get in your box, and you just plug it in. There it goes, all the way on. So it's plugged in, and then we'll go. This is the Dexter Tow Assist, the indicator light. It's on the door side of your RV, and you can see it from your right side mirror on your truck. And when you initially plug it in, it's going to look like this. Jackie's going to plug it in for us. You'll see a rapid flash. That just tells you the system has been activated and it's ready to go. So the next step is you have to push on the brake pedal. You have to send it some kind of brake signal so it can do a scan. Jackie's going to hit the brake pedal on the truck for us. And that's what you should see. You should see that half green, half white. No other colors, no amber down here in the bottom. None of that. It should just be half green, half white. Just remember, you'll get the rapid flash, but you won't get anything else until you come in and apply the brakes. That's how it triggers the system and does a check. Once you have your truck plugged in and you have your half green and your half white, then you can go to the app. This is what the Dexter app looks like right here. You're going to click on the Dexter app, and then down at the bottom you're going to see a little icon that says connect down there. Click on that, and then it's going to scan, and it's going to find the V-Pack. Then it's going to take it a few seconds probably to actually identify your tow assist through the ECU. So it's reading the odometer and it's found it. So here's the information that it's giving you: 9,122.3 miles. Diagnostic codes, it's not giving me any diagnostic codes, so it just did a full check and it says no active faults detected. That's what you want to see whenever you link it up. If you're driving down the highway and you keep that OBD2 reader plugged in, then so yeah, no. And then there's also this option here for the reset ECU. We've had to do that a few times whenever the truck quit recognizing the trailer wiring. You get the dinging on your dash. We've been able to hit that reset ECU, come to a stop obviously, reset it, let it cycle through, find it again, and then should be doing pretty well. That's it for the Dexter Tow system. It's a pretty easy thing to use. As long as you have the app, know where to put it, know where to find the reader. Jackie had a couple questions she brought up. One was, can you leave the reader plugged in all the time? I do, because once you stop and unhook from the truck and the system powers down, the ECU shuts off and it's not receiving any power, so that OBD2 reader is just like a dead plug plugged into it. That way I don't forget it, because when I'm on the road, I'm on the move, it's plugged in, and I have access to the app, and I can see what's going on if I get a fault code or if that light changes in my right side mirror on the front of the RV. The other question she had was, do you have to have that reader hooked up for it to operate? No, not at all. It doesn't have to be hooked up. You can actually read the fault codes by reading the flashes of that indicator light. I think it's obviously much easier just to use the reader, and it'll give you the fault codes. You'll know where to go. That's really about it for the Dexter Tow Assist system. And nobody told me about this when I got it. The dealer didn't know anything about it. That RV tech I talked about earlier didn't know anything about it. So I hope this video just serves as a little bit of information. If you're a new G owner, or you have a G and you haven't found that yet, or haven't had a fault problem, I hope it helps out. And that's all we can do. Till next time, we'll see you then.